Penalty 17 minutes and 39 seconds of the second period. That's Cook, 2 minutes for tripping.
Can't be tripping in hockey. I mean, you could be tripping, but you can't be tripping. Here we go. Liam, what is it? What is that? Hockey? That's right. Let's go, Wranglers. Let's go, Wranglers.